Hold it right there.
Okay, placing the chocks now. All secure. Slowly up, watch the clearance on the left. Okay, clear. Keep it steady now.
Here at the assembly line, technicians perform meticulous inspections of the electrical systems, ensuring flawless operation.
The alignment is confirmed.
Perfect. Initiating the final welds now.
Flat automotive-grade sheet metal is transferred to the hydraulic forming press, where workers carefully position the blank on the lower die.
Check the gap right here. It's tight, needs a minor adjustment. All right, adjusting the clamp now.
Check the gap here. It's reading 3 millimeters. That's within tolerance. We can proceed with the spot welds.
Check the welding right here. See the inconsistency.
Did you get this seam here?
Yes, just finished it. Looks good now.
Check the thread pitch on the forward mount. Gauge runs smooth, it's clean, roger that. Marking as complete.
Okay, drop it slowly.
Align. Hand me the torque wrench.
Torque on the engine mounts is precise. How are the exhaust brackets?
They are secure. Suspension hardware looks good too.
Did you test the yellow connector?
Yes, the multimeter confirms it's correct.
Wires neatly routed, just like the instructions. Perfect. Secure the final connection. Aligning the left side now. Is the harness clear?
Yes, connecting the main plug. It's secure.
First, we check the pad thickness with the caliper gauge. Then, it's crucial to ensure these hydraulic connections are properly torqued. Ignition successful, temperature rising steadily.
Vibration levels are nominal. Monitor the exhaust pressure.
rear chassis scan is complete. Tolerances are within spec. Good. The suspension travel on the front wheel checks out too.
All checks complete on chassis 7B. Engine parameters look good.
Agreed. Final approval granted.
The alignment is precise, and the paintwork is flawless.
Indicators are functional. Final clearance confirmed.